I discovered that the boy children are neglected, and yet they are the ones who take these girls who are given attention.
Mweno kare wangu omwana w'umwojo tebali kushira kumufaho bafa aha mwana w'umwishi kandi barija kumwete ngombe byomesho.
But the best way to have our girls protected is to give attention to boy children so that we have peaceful homes.
Oburyo bumwe obwo kulinda no kureberera bishbeitu no kugira bitwabika omwana w'umwojo nyensi abaryagira amaka gatebekeine.
I want to appreciate the choir which had only boys.
Mwirira kusima abeshongozi ababari yabojo bonka.
Because all the choirs who come to sing, there are 2 men or 3, and they are about 12, 15 women.
Akubaza kwaya enyingi noshanga halimu abojo bashatu bana batano rero abakazi n'abahara bari 15 na 20.
So I want to request you that on the 15th August 2027, when I'm being fair at Namembe Cathedral, the choir of boys will be on the program.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.